Then let me use this opportunity also to inform the management of the NYSC that we have received the request for the rehabilitation of facilities to provide a conducive environment for the corpers, and to tell you that the Honorable Minister has responded immediately. So we will be liaising with the appropriate authority within the Corps to make sure that the rehabilitation process and provision of all other basic facilities are accomplished within the shortest possible time. This will be in addition to other numerous support to the scheme by the FCT administration.
Through our collaborative effort, we can ensure that the mobilization processes remains a cornerstone of the NYSC mission to foster unity, encourage self-reliance, and promote sustainable development. Equally, I urge this gathering to engage in comprehensive discussions, share best practices, and establish strategic partnership with a view to making the mobilization process not only efficient, but also adaptable to the evolving needs of our nation.